Hey guys, what is up? It is LC. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am so glad to have you here. Today we are going to be trying out something new, and it is not actually makeup related. But you know what? That's okay, because we do all sorts of things on this channel, all right? We do everything, a little bit of everything, okay? Today I'm going to be trying out this hairbrush hair straightener. We're trying it out, okay? Now, this is not the first time I have done hair-related things on this channel. I've showed you my hair dyeing process and then trying to get it back to my blonde hair, and that was just a whole mess, okay? It was just, you know. Anyways, though, I have not done any hair styling things or anything like that here. I'm not really that good at it. I look for easy, quick, simple solutions that I can do to my hair and not have to really think about it too much, because it just, I am sure that you guys have probably seen this somewhere along the line. This is not a brand new product. This is not something that is like, woo, hot on the market. No. Anyways, though, you've seen it around. It looks really cool, and it looks like something that would be wonderful if it works, right? I have pretty simple hair, but the problem with my hair is it looks, you know, okay, right? I mean, it doesn't do much, but it doesn't like to do anything. Curling is a hassle. I have to use so much hairspray. Straightening it, it always will get super just like pin straight. Yeah, it doesn't do what I want it to do. As you can see, my hair naturally is wavy. So what I'm looking for today with this product is just something that can quickly get my hair to where I want it to be, so then I can move on from there. Or if I like how it looks with just this, then great, that's wonderful, we're done, you know? Okay, so you open it up, and here it is. It comes with a little booklet, but you know, here, we don't read the rules. No. All right, it definitely looks interesting. It has obviously these brush-like things, but they're all covered in this rubber type of material, which I'm kind of like, how is that gonna go through? You see, that doesn't feel good at all. And I feel like the rubber just pulls on it. Are you supposed to brush your hair first? Because I'm sorry, that defeats the purpose, right? All right, let's go ahead and plug this in. It's got a nice weight to it. It's a nice size. The cord is just, it feels like kind of heavy, but nothing out of the ordinary. I would say it's definitely heavier than my regular hair straightener and curling irons, which is interesting because when you're doing stuff, your arm gets kind of tired. So the fact that it's a little heavier, not a huge amount, but a little bit, is concerning. We've got this little LCD screen. So you've got this button and then the two temperature buttons. You just push it and it turns it on. I'm gonna put it at 405. I'm going to brush through it just a little bit because one, I don't brush my hair, okay? It's a rare occasion when you see me brush my hair, and it's usually after a shower. But what I am gonna do is I'll leave this little section here. I'm not gonna brush it because I do wanna see if that part of it does work. All right, guys, so this thing says that it is heated up to 405 degrees, which is what I set it at, and I think it's done heating up. I think we're ready to give this a go. Okay, so it says to take a section of hair, and I want to take this front part right here. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Oh, okay. I think it worked. It feels a lot smoother. And I don't know if you can tell that it just looks a little bit straighter. Let's go run it one more time. Ooh, it's actually working pretty well. Do you see that? Ooh. All right, let's try another section. And it actually ran through the hair pretty well. Ooh, oh man, I don't know if you can see the difference, but it actually feels a lot smoother. You know how your hair feels when you straighten it? I'm a little shook right now. All right, let's try a little bit of a bigger section. Okay, that was one run. and it still feels pretty thick. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but usually when I straighten my hair, it'll get so thin and straight and like, but not the good kind of straight, you know? This still feels like it has some body to it, which I like. When I first saw it, I expected it to blow up. I was like, oh yeah, this thing's gonna be great. It's gonna be like the best invention ever. Why didn't I think of it? And then it didn't. I saw a few reviews, I saw it going around, and then it just didn't. It kind of just went out of nowhere, and I said, oh, I guess it's a flop. I guess it's just not meant to be. And now I'm using it kind of like, okay, why wasn't this talked about more? I feel like if you have hair like mine where it's not super curly, like you see that wave right there? It's like that, you know? Let's grab that one right there. Let's see what it does. I don't know, I'm just a little confused. This thing is like, it's working, you know? Yeah, I can see where this wouldn't work for some people, but if you have hair kind of like mine where it's wavy and you just like to straighten it sometimes and you just don't like taking the time to do it though, this, I mean, I'm digging this. This could become a part of my daily routine. And getting it for $14.99, like that, oh, if you have a Target or a TJ Maxx or a Marshall's near you, really, and you're looking to get something like this, check out those stores first. Oh, and remember, this side is the side that I did not brush through with my regular brush first. I did not do that, so we're gonna see if this can work as a regular brush as well. Oh, yeah, ow. It worked, I guess. I mean, it brushed through it, but that hurt. And like, cause you have to go kind of slow. I don't know. I would definitely suggest brushing your hair first, and I know that seems a bit redundant. It probably just depends on your hair type. Like I said, I don't brush my hair very much, so obviously my hair is probably more tangly than an average person who does. If your hair is pretty thin, then you probably could get away with it. You probably wouldn't need to brush your hair first. I would say, you know what, use your common sense, use your discretion. If you feel like you can handle it and your hair can handle it, go ahead. Will it work? Yes. Will it brush through your hair? Yes. But do I suggest being careful? Yeah. I do have to say, I am really liking this. Do I think it is completely revolutionary? Not as much as I had hoped. Do I think it'll definitely come in handy and I am totally going to continue to use this and try it out? Yes. It straightened my hair, but I still have some body to it, you know? Or at least I think so. I do like it. I think it worked really well. It straightened my hair, and that was really fast. I mean, I feel like I just sat down to film, and it's done. Does it look straight to you? Let me know in the comments down below. Am I just imagining things? Does it look straighter? I'm actually really happy about this. I think it is a great product that can really help out us lazy girls out here, you know? I think depending on how curly your hair is and what you think you could work with, this might work. If you have medium curly hair, give it a try for $14.99. It's worth a try. I don't know if this is the original one or, you know, probably not, because I remember when this first came around, I saw one for like $110 and I was like, I can't do that. So I said, you know, I passed on it. I saw some reviews and I thought it was interesting, and I know it's not a super new product, but when I saw it for $14.99, I said, I can't help myself. I gotta try it. I gotta tell you guys how it goes, and I think it went pretty well. I'm satisfied with the results. It works. It does its job. So I am excited to have shared this with you. I hope that it helped you out in some way. If there are any other types of hairstyling tools or anything like that that you want me to try out, let me know down below. I guess that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And until next time, stay flawless, guys.